All right, how you doing, first of all?
Very good, man. How could I not be?
You're here at the Image Awards, NAACP. Talk about it for me.
Man, it's just good to be here. You know, as I was saying earlier, a lot of actors I admire. I've been inspired by artists as well, Gladys Knight, everybody here at the same time. It's nice to be able to be in the same space at the same time. We can all pat each other on the back, have a good time.
And talk about your career.
Ooh, it's a good kickoff for 213. Movie opening tonight. Bullet to the Head. Been playing the villain opposite Sly Stallone. We got a beautiful movie, actually. A quiet, small movie directed by George Tillman, starring Jennifer Hudson, called The Inevitable Defeat of Mr. and Pete. Just got picked up in Sundance.
And what makes you so good as an actor?
Ooh, I don't know, man. I don't act. I just be. They say be that, I'll be it.
Fantastic. Well, give yourself a shout out.
Yeah, you're talking to Ada Wally. We're here at the Image Awards 213, just having a great time. Check out Bullet to the Head tonight. Opens tonight. Ada Wally versus Sly Stallone. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.